I don't have a tripod yet, so that's why I'm having to use one hand. Instructions. That's nice. This weighs probably about a pound. Now I'm going to show you the different size cell phones, the GoPro attachment, and the camera. And then you screw in the cell phone attachment. This is a Samsung with the otter case. And here's the GoPro setup. And a regular standard size digital camera. You can shoot pointing down. Tripod stand also has a little place to put the remote. And it's sturdy enough to hold this heavy camera.